Welcome back, everybody. My name is Andrew, and this is Kite Army. So today, we're gonna do some choppy. See that huge log right there? Well, thanks to this machine right there, I'm gonna make this look easy. So this chainsaw is the brand new EGO 16-inch chainsaw. It is model number CX1611. This is a battery-powered chainsaw right here. Check that out. That actually is a 2.5 amp hour battery, 56 volt. This chainsaw can be bought with battery and charger for $270, which is a pretty good deal. Now let's talk about some of the features of this chainsaw. First off, we've got an anti-kickback mechanism right here. Check this out. Up. Check it out. 1, 2. That's pretty fast. You can actually feel that kick. Now, the other thing I want to talk to you about is the speed of this chainsaw. It is fast. It's supposed to be 20 meters per second. Now that sounds fast to me, but I can tell you in my hands, super fast startup. Check this out. From stop to full speed almost instantly. Now, this particular chainsaw is supposed to be as powerful as a 40cc gas chainsaw, and I believe it. It's really got a lot of kick. Now, the other thing about this chainsaw is it's got metal bucking spikes right here, which is really nice. You drive that in and you kind of pivot on that. Now, it does have an automatic oiler with a really nice sight right there, you can see. So you can see how much oil you're dealing with. Toolless to open that up and put that in there. Now, you also have a bar tensioner right here. Toolless again, you can just tighten that down by hand, you're good to go. You can release the bar by using this right here. So that essentially is this chainsaw. Trust me, it's a beast. And if you don't want to take my word for it, we're gonna cut this log over here. It is about 30 inches in diameter. Let's see how this chainsaw does. Here we go. All right, guys, if you had any question about whether a battery-powered chainsaw could really do a decent job and hack up some wood, hopefully this video changed your mind. This EGO is a beast. This is one of the better battery-powered chainsaws I've ever tried. In fact, EGO tools are just pretty good across the line, so make sure you check them out. Now, the other thing you'll want to do is leave a comment down below if you have any question about this chainsaw. Also, if you want to add anything to this conversation, I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe and don't go anywhere yet because there's a video right there that you're going to want to check out. I'll catch you over there.